Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and since yesterday market is very slow and the reason is Thanksgiving. So my dear friends, we can expect a sleepy Friday today. So market may not behave like a normal Friday market because for the last couple of months we have seen that Fridays are crazy, but this can be a sleepy Friday. So if you have high expectations from the market that there will be volatility, you will be able to use the volatility, then okay, there may not be fireworks. So my dear friends, if you fail to find proper opportunities in the market, do not gamble with your capital, because we are traders. We don't need to gamble with our hard-earned money. Think about your family, because you have worked hard for that capital. Okay, when market conditions will be normal, when market will be stable, market will give us opportunities to make money. So we need to save our money for those days. Okay, so let's see what is going on gold right now. At first, let's look at the market sentiment. Gold edges higher on prospects of demand. December Fed rate cut. Gold steady in holiday trade despite a strengthening dollar. So this is the ongoing market sentiment. And my dear friends, technically we can see that gold is slowly going up again. So when there was a big correction on the chart of gold, there was a question in our mind. So are we having a trend reversal? But right now we can clearly see that trend reversal is no longer on the chart. The chances of trend reversal is very low as of now. So as long as gold is trading above 2600, chances of trend reversal is very low. If gold breaks 2600 with high volume, then we can hope that okay, we may see some correction again. But as long as gold is trading above 2600, forget about trend reversal and plan your trades accordingly. So if you're a positional buyer, if you're a swing buyer, if you already have any ongoing buy position, you can continue with your buy position. No need to exit, because slowly gold is going up again. There may not be crazy bullishness in the market, but overall gold is trying to be bullish again. So hold your buy positions with your stop losses around 2625, 2630. And if you're looking for fresh positions in the market, new positions, then obviously level to level trading will be the best option for you. Especially in this situation where volume is very low, market is not moving much, level to level trading will be the best option for us. But before I proceed, I have a question for all of you guys. You guys must know that okay, I conduct workshops in my free time. So usually I conduct workshops 3 times a year. So I had plans to conduct the next workshop in January or February, to be honest. Okay, but recently I have received many messages and emails where people have requested me to conduct workshops uh, in the month of December or January. So let me know your opinions. Okay, if you guys are interested, okay, please write down in the comment section, and I will fix a date accordingly. Okay, and if you guys are not much interested, okay, no need to write. Okay, I'll understand. Okay, then I will just postpone the workshop to January or February, because I conduct these workshops in my free time, because I do not, okay, I do not like charging very high. I try to keep the workshop very affordable, or the lowest in the world. Okay, so I only conduct in my free time. So in the month of December, okay, especially during the second half, market is usually slow. Okay, so if you guys are interested, let me know in the comment section. I will arrange a workshop in the second half of December. Okay, now let's look at the chart of gold again. So in the morning we saw that there was some upset on gold, and gold, after hitting the FIBO 50% retracement level, our second selling opportunity. Okay, gold show little retracement, and as expected we got our 40-50 pips. So if you guys, okay, if you guys have already exited from the position, no need to worry, because we have next selling opportunity around 2676 to 78. This is our second selling opportunity on the chart of gold, because of FIBO 61.8% retracement level, and the second selling opportunity on the chart of gold is around 2696 to 2700. So on the chart of gold, as a day trader, we can look for sell position for 50 pips around these two areas. If market shows price ejection from above, confirmation is important. Okay, do not trade blindly because no level is permanent in the market. So if market goes up, we can look for sell around these areas because of FIBO 61.8% retracement level, and here we have FIBO 78.6% retracement level. Along with that, 2700 is a round number, it's a psychological resistance. Okay, one more thing I would like to add here is that, see, to hit 2676, okay, gold needs to cross this particular level here, isn't it? So if market breaks 2664, okay, then as a day trader we can look for some upside of 50 to 70 pips also, or more than that. You can see that we have a gap here. Okay, we have a gap here after some consolidation, especially during the European session. Okay, if market breaks this particular area, then as a day trader we can look for a buy opportunity around at 2664 with a 50 pip stop loss. Is this a very reliable opportunity? No. Right now, see, gold is not trading. Okay, the volume is very low. So in low volume market, okay, the trading opportunities are not very reliable. Especially for a breakout, okay, volume is extremely important. But still, okay, if market breaks during the European session, we can expect market to go up. In that case, we can look for a buy around 2664. Little risky, so use a proper stop loss, and we can look for a sell around 267678 and 26962700. Clear? And if market comes down, then the best support on the chart of gold is around 2610 2605. This is the level from where market bounced previously, but you can clearly see that the support of 261005 is far away from the current market price, isn't it? So in this case, okay, the support of 2610 2605 is not very practical. So as a day trader, okay, if market remains like this, we can look for quick bounce of 30 40 pips around 2651 2648. Okay, around these two areas also. Are they very reliable levels? Obviously no. This is kind of forced trading. Okay, but still, if market takes support, if we see that during the day market is slow, market is trying to bounce, then obviously we can look for a 25 30 pips bounce around 2651 2648 level as well. But during the US session, if market acts crazy, because for the last couple of months, Fridays have been, okay, frying our accounts. So if you see the market is crazy again, do not look for any trading opportunities because these are very less reliable. Okay, if you see that there is a sudden trend in the market, then just try to follow the trend of the market, because when volume comes, these minor levels like 51 48, okay, they do not work. Okay, so you need to understand that price obviously has a role to play, but volume equally plays an important role. So let's wait and watch, time will speak. Okay, and the weekly closing is going to be important. Again, I'm repeating, if you're a position trader, swing trader, holding your buy positions, continue with your buy positions. If you're holding your sell, okay, then okay, keep your fingers crossed. That's it. And if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, level to level trading will be the best option for you, because right now we can see the volume is very less. So if market goes up, we can look for a buy above 2664 area if market shows good volume. Otherwise, we can look for a sell around 267678 and 2696 2700 areas. And if market, okay, if market shows little downside from this particular position, as a day trader before US session, we can look for a quick bounce around 2651 2648 area as well. They are not very reliable, but market is very slow, so we are looking for some quick pips here. Otherwise, on the chart of gold, the only support we have is around 260510, means we have good buyers sitting around 260510. If market takes support, we can look for buy in this zone. Be careful, Fridays have been very crazy. Okay, if market, okay, gets crazy during the US session, okay, capital protection should be your first priority. Okay, and my dear friends, let me know if you guys are interested for the workshop. Okay, because if you guys are interested on it, then only I'll think about it. Otherwise, I'll just drop the plan. Okay, so thank you so much, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care. And if you want to know details, okay, then just visit my website. I will paste the link in the description. Okay, what happens or what are the topics that I cover during the workshop. Bye bye, take care.